Speaking of shaker cups, this blender bottle is probably the best one I've ever had. So it only takes 2 unscrews to screw off, and then it's super easy to screw on, just 2 screws, and it's tight and sealed. I haven't had any leakage problems with it. A lot of the other blender bottles that I've tried, they take like 5 screws, and then there's still, if you miss a line, then there's still leakage. And then the top of this one, so really easy to open. But also at the very top, there's a button you slide, and it has a lock thing. So now it won't open up even if it's hit by something, and it's really great. It's my favorite one I've ever had. It really feels quality. So I'll leave a link for that down below. I take 1 B12 pill a day that helps with nerve function, blood cell count, and then overall metabolism, helping with energy production. Magnesium citrate, I take 2 soft gels of these a day. They help with sleep, performance, and then digestive system, as well as bone health. Omega-3 or fish oils, I take those every day. They help with heart health to reduce any risk of heart attack or any cardiovascular diseases. I take a 1 a day men's. It's a multivitamin that basically helps with energy, cell production, digestion, your metabolism, just all these little things that you can't get with a full diet in one pill. It gives you a little bit amounts of everything that you need, and then if you get blood work done, you can supplement more with the actual supplements that your body specifically needs, but a multivitamin can cover a lot of bases in one pill. Vitamin D3 is a very important supplement. Vitamin D we get from the sun. So on the weekends I get sun more, so I'll take 5,000 IUs, which is 1 tiny pill. On the weekdays, I'll take 10,000 IUs, which is 2 pills, since I'll be inside more. This mainly helps with your immune system, but overall a function of metabolism, energy, bone health, all around great supplement. If I'm traveling and on the go, I'll bring apple cider vinegar pills. So these will have the same benefits of metabolism, mitigating your blood glucose levels, and then immune system. So if I'm traveling on the go and can't bring the liquid, I'll bring the pill form. I'll do a chewable vitamin C. So these are, we call it the candy. They basically help your immune system, and it's an antioxidant. So again, just keeping your system up and running, healthy. And you know, I've taken this and vitamin D, and I've definitely noticed a decrease in the amount of times I'm sick throughout the year. I have 2 of these containers. They have one for every day of the week. I'll have all the pills that I just went through equally divided out for the week. Get the extra 10% out of if you're doing a lot of the other things right. Having a good supplement routine will just get you there a lot further and a lot healthier. You're going to get things out of these supplements that you'd have to eat a lot of food to get, and a variety of food. So just having these on top of your daily routine will help you hit the markers quicker and overall optimize your health. I'll have my clients actually fill up a gallon of water for the day, and then it's hard to lug this around and drink out of it. So I'll just have them actually pour the gallon out into a cup, and when they drink it, by the end of the day, they'll know how much water they've drank. That's an easy way to track your water without getting a smart cup or any of these smart water bottles. Half your body weight in ounces, and then another 30 ounces for every hour of exercise. Stay on it. It's an easy thing to do, and it makes a lot of difference. Meal prepping doesn't have to be overthought of like it usually is. It can just be starting with 1 meal in that day each week. Think about it yourself. If you find yourself reaching for something unhealthy at home or at work, decide that as the time that you're going to actually prep for. Meal prep containers, glass is obviously ideal. Low budget scale that I'll link below on Amazon, just so you know how much food you're eating. If you don't want to track it, at least week to week, you can just take out like a ½ an ounce of what you're doing, but starting off with 6 to 8 ounces of rice. If you eat meat, I usually do ground beef or ground turkey. And then to get all of the nutrients in and really maximize the meal that I'm cooking, I'll do ground beef with a low fat percentage, drain it, and then I'll also throw in as much spinach as I can, cook that up with it, peppers, onions, other vegetables, so that the meat has the flavor, but you're getting all those micronutrients and fiber along with the greens, and then a rice cooker or just a pot of rice, and just switching out the sauces or the seasonings will make the meal extend a lot further. You won't get tired as much, but the core foundation of a protein, a carbohydrate, and a greens, and then the fats are usually coming from that protein source. So adding in spinach and these other vegetables will allow you to make it a whole meal.